Crikey! Missing issues time. Ugh. Do this one first. Hopefully it's not too... don't look like it might not need the knife. Some do, some don't. Ugh. There you go. No One, issue 6 by Kyle Higgins, Brian Buttolato, Borges, Englert, Oxford, Mossman, Elho. And that No One issue 5, No One issue 7, No One issue 6. So there you go. And this one does need only to pierce its veil. Of course I can get down its spine. Oh. I can do this. There you go. And what we got? Oh. Oi! Still there. We have Sirens of the City number 3, which goes with Sirens of the City numbers 1 and 2 and 3, and the other 3 or 2 are at OK Comics, so I'll be able to get those now. And The Devil That Wears My Face 2. And you guessed it, what I've got here is The Devil That Wears My Face 1 and The Devil That Wears My Face 3. So that's 3 gaps filled. This is the age-old problem in the UK, and it's not OK Comics' fault that some issues we don't get enough of over in England. So, and some issues don't make it over here at all. So, if you're collecting a series, sometimes you're fucked, basically. I'm swearing and I don't give a fuck because it's fucking annoying. This cost nearly £12. Other two, one so bad at £6 and £7 each. But this, 12 quid almost, because it's scarce. But anyway, I have them now, so eBay is good for that, mostly. You get a few people who screw you over, but eBay's good on that front as well. I've never not had a refund from either eBay or from seller, so yeah. So there you have it. The Devil That Wears My Face 2, Sirens of the City 3, and No One issue 6. Lovely stuff. subscribe. Music reactions coming later on today. Possibly.